Hello, I'm Clancy Rose from Cafe Medici in Austin, Texas. I'm here today with Expert Village, and what we're going to be making is a Single Breve Latte. I'm going to go through everything that you need to make your Single Breve Latte. The first thing is I like to have about 3 or 4 clean, dry kitchen towels on hand to keep the area clean while we're working. You need your espresso beans for the shots for the latte, your espresso grinder, your home espresso machine, another towel that's damp on top of the espresso machine to wipe down the steam on after steaming. You got shot glasses, espresso tamper, the cup that we'll be assembling the drink in, and I have some more clean dry towels over here, my milk steaming pitcher. And today what I have is whole milk and heavy whipping cream. Or if you just have half and half, that's what breve means